Welcome to Streamer Class, guys. My name is Sigma. I am a two-time Twitch partner, and today we're going to talk about panels because you guys are driving me bonkers with these things. You have to think of your panels as like a suit, okay? You're walking in, you want to look professional, you want to look like you have your shit somewhat together, and panels is a really good way to do that. I'm going to give you 7 panels that you should have on your channel, how to make them, and how to make them look professional. Let's go. Panel number 1 should be about me. And it should not just have the generic, I've been playing video games since I was 5. Like, we get it. Most of us have. I mean, not me in particular, but most people that are streaming on Twitch have. Make it something interesting. Tell me about your job or your hobbies or your family or where you live. Now, don't get too specific, okay? We're not trying to give away all of your personal information, but make it something interesting, something that I want to read, something, a fun fact. You know, if you can do 5 back handsprings, like, that's kind of funny. Or if you enjoy horseback riding or 4-wheel riding or, you know, whatever it is, just give me something fun to read about you. Panel number 2 should be rules. What do you expect out of people when they visit your channel, right? Is there a 3 strikes you're out rule? That's kind of how I do mine, but that's totally up to you. If somebody is going to be a dick to your mod, are you going to ban them immediately? I mean, you should, but that's up to you. State your rules. This is your home. These are your rules. And don't allow people to stomp all over those rules. That is a big no-no. Okay, so if one person's acting like a jerk, but they're around your channel all the time and you let them slide, but the new guy tries to, you know, chime in and kind of be cool and get in that conversation, and then you ban them or time them out, like, it's not a good look. So make sure you have your rules laid out and that you follow them and that your mods follow them. Panel number 3, socials. How do people find you? Are you on TikTok? Are you on Instagram? Are you on Twitter? I mean, you should be, but your links should be in your panel. Okay, so all your socials. Now, you can add your YouTube channel onto your socials if you want to, or you can make your very own panel for that. That's totally up to you. Panel number 4, we are on to PC specs. Now, we're all gamers, but people get very interested in what you game on. They want to know your monitor, they want to know your headset, they want to know your mouse, your keyboard, they want to know what your GPU is, what CPU are you rocking, maybe even your case. Like, my case is behind me. I get questions about those quite often. So I have those in my PC specs. And side note, you should have your affiliate link already set up, your Amazon affiliate link already set up, so that any of these products that they click on, you get a kickback if they buy. Now, they don't get charged any extra, but it's a good way to have a, you know, a little bit of extra money on the side. Panel number 5, Discord. You should have a Discord set up for your community, and you should have this linked right to your Discord. So when they click your Discord panel, boom, they're in. And Discord is a great way to interact with your community when you're not streaming. I think it's amazing to watch some of the friendships that happen in Discord. I know I have like a cooking channel and a trucks channel and a bunch of different channels in my Discord, and I'm able to interact with everybody and I don't have to be streaming. And especially like right now, I'm super busy. I have not been able to stream on my own personal channel as often as I normally do. So Discord is a great way to keep up with what everybody's doing. You know, if they've got a new puppy or they bought a new house, like, I love hearing about that kind of stuff. I will have a video just on Discord, how to set it up, what it should look like, options for different channels that you should have, and you can check that out later. But for right now, just make sure you have a Discord panel. Okay, we are on to panel number 6. This should be sub benefits. What benefits do people get if they sub to you? Now, if you're like me, you can have sub play days where you guys, you know, I play Tarkov, so we go and we run in as a group, we have community night. Subs are always welcome to join. I also have the option on my channel that anybody that has channel points that they want to use, so they don't have to be a sub, but they have accumulated a certain amount of points, they are welcome to come join in on community night. Also, ad-free viewing. Obviously, if people sub to your channel, they get ad-free viewing. That's awesome. People love that. So make sure you put that in there. What about the emotes that you have? Some people sub just for the emotes. So if your emotes are super cool, like you might just get subs from those. So make sure you put your emotes in there that they get when they sub. Any other benefit that you have for your subs. Maybe they're allowed to post links. Like that's also cool. Or they get a special sub designation in the Discord. These are awesome benefits. So make sure that you outline those for anybody that's checking out your panels. They'll already know ahead of time of what they get. And the last and final panel should be donate. Go ahead and set this up. Make sure it links back to your PayPal or whatever it is that you choose to use. And it's okay if it's last. I promise if anybody wants to donate to you, they will definitely find it. No big deal. The only time that I care whether or not your donate panel is last is if you are doing a charity stream. So maybe it's just a one-time stream or you're doing it for a whole week or for a whole month. If you have a way for them to donate to the charity that you're raising money for, go ahead and make that your number one panel because that's the big focus right then. But your normal donate button should never be first. It just looks scuzzy, guys. Okay, so you're done with your 7 panels, but you're curious about all of those add-ons that Twitch has for your channel that you can put in there. Stream Elements has one, Teespring has one that does merch. So listen, the merch panels are great to have. Go ahead and put one down there near your donate button, before your donate button, just in that general area. Don't put that up there at the top. I know you're tempted to, but again, if people want to buy your merch, they will find the panel. The other one is like Stream Boss, like who's donated the most, like all of those things. Again, put those down at the bottom. It's nice to recognize people that have helped out your channel. Don't get me wrong. But again, you kind of want that towards the bottom. There's like bit leader ones, all of those add-ons, anything that has to do with how you make money or how much money somebody has donated or anything like that. Go ahead and put them down towards the donate area. I know it's hard, but you're going to get through it. Now we're moving on how to make the panels. So head over to canva.com. I love this place. I use Canva all the time. Everything from evasion to my own personal channel to streamer class. And then really anytime that I'm helping friends out and they just need like a quick graphic made, I love Canva. So head over to Canva. It's actually free. You can set up a free account there. I personally use the Pro program, but you're welcome to just use the free one. It's no big deal. Make sure that you have your logo uploaded there. You have all of your brand colors. We'll have a whole nother video on that. Make sure it's all clean, concise, it all matches. Get them uploaded, get all of the links uploaded, and you're good to go. Now listen, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out. All of the links are down below, and please don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell notification so you know anytime we post a new video. All right, guys, good luck out there.